This is Rodney Grimm with Icom America. I'm the manager of our network solutions here at Icom, and I'd like to talk to you about our new VE-PG4 today. The VE-PG4 works with a wide variety of products. Just to give you a small sample of the kind of products that it works with our, first of all, our IP501H LTE radio. It also works with, for example, our F3400 and 5400 radios, as well as a host of other Icom radios in analog mode using the analog connection ports and back. It also can work with our SAT100 radios. So when you're talking on our SAT100 anywhere in the world, you can intercommunicate with any of the other products that I'm showing you here. Certainly works with our IP501M, and it works with our IP100H Wi-Fi radio. This device all works together. As a matter of fact, you can see when I bring up a device, you can see a variety of lights come on as it's showing its interconnect abilities. The few things that I can't really show you here quite easily this morning are the ability for this thing to hook into SIP telephone systems or other kinds of embedded devices. So there's a wide range of things that this can work on, and it's good to know that it has these kind of capabilities. One of the other things it can do is it can take GPS information that is being put out by, say, an IP501 and redirect it to a map. For example, this product is called LTE Connect, and LTE Connect allows me a very simple mapping solution that can show me the position and historical tracks of people using IP501Hs. And all of that information, again, is centralized in the VE-PG4 and extracted to the from the VE-PG4 to my laptop computer. So there is a tremendous variety of equipment that can work with this device, and which is good news for our consumers, because now pretty much no matter what they have, to a certain regard, they can make it interoperate with the VE-PG4 and have it work with our other devices. I'd like to show another capability of the VE-PG4. We have the capability of taking our cellular phone chat client and linking it into our other products. So I can take, for example, this particular device, I can hit push to talk on it, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, and it brings up my IP501H, it brings up my VHF radio, it brings up my IP100H Wi-Fi radio. So it brings up a wide variety of different devices. So all of these things can seamlessly connect together. The VE-PG4 can have many applications. One particular application that I ran into recently was a utility company in South America, and that company had a need for both local, medium range, and wide area coverage. In the wilds of Brazil, for example, there isn't very good coverage from cellular sites, traditional communication systems. As a matter of fact, there's no coverage whatsoever. And in that case, I would use my SAT100 to communicate push-to-talk communications to other members of my talk group. One of the things I can do with this SAT100 is I can interconnect it, though, with my VE-PG4. And when I do that, now that opens up the ability to talk to, for example, my IP501H. So in that particular example, when they were very far out in the distant boonies, they would use the SAT100. When they were more in the metropolitan area, they would use an IP501H, or if they were within range of their traditional or older LMR system, they would use this, but it would all come up seamlessly together and all work so that one talk group here is represented by a talk group on something like this, which is represented as a talk group. Our Icom Connect series of products include the IP501H, the IP100H, the VE-PG4, the SAT100, and it works seamlessly with our cell phone chat client. So that is the core of our Icom Connect product lines, but Icom Connect interoperates with far more than just the products I just mentioned, including Icom VHF, UHF, 700, 800 megahertz products, and other manufacturers' products too. It doesn't particularly matter what kind of product it is. We have a very flexible interface, and Icom Connect can connect to just about anything that's out there.